Hello guys, today we have a situation on our property. We have to get rid of these blackberry vines. There are a lot of them, they are really thick, and I don't know how much good this this cord adapter on our bush cutter will do. I'm not sure that he's up to the challenge, but we have this. This is a chain adapter. It's really good. It's really good for this problem. So we're gonna take this line head off our trimmer and put this chain head on. So to take the head off, we will find a hole to lock the head in and just screw it out like that. Now we have to disassemble this. We have these two screws. They are already a little bit loose. Actually, this one has a built-in screw, so we actually don't need to take this off, but now that we did, I'm gonna show you how to put it in. Okay. Okay, that is pretty simple. So as I said, I even didn't need to take this off, so I'm gonna to put it back. Okay guys, that's it. Let's do some cutting. Feel it.
Three. Wait, when you use the book, I have to use my hand.